Hi, I'm Kristie Wolf. I write romantic suspense, and thank you so much for chatting with me today. I really appreciate it. I love to sit down and talk about my books to anybody who wants to listen to me. I have been published for almost a year. I published my first novel in October of 2023, so I'm coming up on my anniversary, so that's pretty exciting. And I currently have two books out right now. I've been writing since I was a teenager. When I was a teenager, I started reading my mom's Harlequins
Oh
and
yeah.
the big supply of historical romantic suspenses that she had around the house. And I read a few and I said to her, I can do that and I'm going to do it someday. And I finally did a very long time later.
I think Harlequin romance series, the little ones, are a gateway drug for a lot of romance writers.
Yes, yes, they really are.